give us just a quick introduction into yourself, who you are, what you do, who you work for?
My name is Mark van Iterson. I'm the Global Head of Design and Sustainability for Heineken. So that means design of basically every touch point of Heineken across the world and the sustainability element of that as well.
Can you tell us about your talk? Give us a quick summary of your session that you just did, and just kind of some hot topics that you spoke about.
I just did a talk about how the Heineken brand tries to incorporate sustainability, greener as we call the program, into its consumer-facing communication and activation. So that's very much about what we're already improving in terms of sustainability in the supply chain, translated to consumer value, to nudge the right consumer behavior. And if we're able to translate it in consumer value, it will again help get the flywheel of sustainability going. And that's the journey we're on. We're still halfway. It's a struggle sometimes. But I think it's very insightful for people to see it, and I think the more we share collectively, the quicker we'll go.
And in your opinion, why do you think talks like the ones you've done are valuable to the visitors and the packaging community?
I think talks like this are, especially on a topic like sustainability, valuable because it is so important to share learnings. Because then not everyone has to invent it by himself or herself, but we can sort of build on each other's learning curve. And then we'll go faster. And this is a topic, I mean, the planet, we'll need to make sure we leave the planet in a proper and healthy way. We need it for the planet, to build on each other's learning curve. The second point why it's so important to share is that no one can solve the issue on its own. It's always an ecosystem of supply chains, of stakeholders, of other companies in the network, in the ecosystem that you need to get along.
And what is the benefit for you and Heineken as a business as to coming and sharing these learnings and doing these sessions?
For Heineken, it's important to be here and to share where we are to learn. It's on the one hand to tell what we did as learning for other people, but of course it's also vice versa. I learn a lot, we learn a lot by being here and by hearing comments, by seeing what people have on exhibition, by listening to other talks, etc.
And why do you think the Packaging and Innovation Show is important and is so special to the community?
Packaging is a complex topic, and packaging is hugely important if we talk about sustainability, because packaging used to be a one-way litter thing that nobody paid attention to, and all of a sudden it's in the focus point of attention because there is quite a carbon footprint that we should solve, there's quite a litter problem that we should solve, there's huge innovation opportunities to make packaging circular. So that's why it's very important that the entire industry with all stakeholders puts all energy behind that.